It is git bash here. Okay. So what we'll do here is that first we'll initialize this. Anyhow, I have the git initialize command. Then let me add origin pr1.get. So it is showing this already exists, right? So in that case, what I can do is if you are getting remote hyphen, okay. So first project.get is already existing, we know that, but it's not taking it remote add origin for this one as well, right? So try adding the old one itself, whether it takes first project.get. Sorry, it was remove, right? I will just use this. No. So let us try with this. Okay. Such remote, so it's not being added yet. So first what I suggest you to do is just go to the configuration settings, local configuration, local, give this, then you give the add origin. We'll see. It is telling that it already exists, so we'll try to pull the code that is there. Okay. From the main. Okay. It's done. It is showing that there was something called a sample pr1.txt, right? It was there in 1.txt. It's high. So it's pulling from the other one. In that case, it's taking the first project itself. Fine. Okay. It's taken from the another repository. Okay, fine. No need to worry. So what I'll do is whatever is there, I'll just change a bit and then I'll just change a bit. We'll check whether the merge conflict occurs. Okay. So now what I'll do is I'll add it. Okay. First you have to add sample.txt, then commit. So git commit okay, so this is done, and you can push the same thing, git push same thing to the remote repository. Just regarding the push and pull, okay. Domain it is being pushed, so we'll see whether only hi is there in that. What was that? First program, I think so, right? First project. This was sample.txt and only hello is there. Yes, we had the same thing here also. Yes, the same thing is being pushed there. So this is done from this perspective. Right, main to main is being pushed. So now again go to one more folder. Doubts. Let me take the second one. Open git bash here. Whatever we did there, do the same thing here as well. Initialize first, then git remote first project, right? Of this one already exists. So pull from there. Uh, Same thing, I have to pull from there, right? So we can pull from there, and then it has been pulled from there. Hello, hi. Okay, I'll close that. Now what I'll do is, so we can just run it, so you can close this. So after this, I have done some changes, right? So git add, git commit. This is for the second time. Okay. Next, push. Sorry, today push it. Git to push it to the origin main. Again give the same command. What will it do? So everything is up to date. Fine. So now, what I'll do is, if I just want to push the file first, okay, this is the one, right? So what I'll do is, I'll just do LOG from the first one. Then what I'll do is, I'll just open the git bash. Okay. So now add sample.txt, commit. That time I maybe. Okay. Next is git push origin main. Let me try to push this. Why this failed to push origin main? Because first what it is telling, rejected remote origin. Okay, and now what I am doing is not add the remote origin, right? Add that. So right, you have the correct center. Before that, this one, not this one, not this one. Okay, that was like first project dot first project dot git. Okay, let me add that. It is telling that it already exists. Fine. First we can pull it, then we can push it, right? What it is telling is, first you can pull it, then we can push it, okay? Fine, okay. Now I'll just pull. Let's see. So what exactly happens here is that, so whenever we are doing the multiple push or multiple pull functions there exists a conflict. So merge conflict. So what, already the changes are being made. So if you do second time, third time the changes, and then if you try to push or pull the particular files, then there will be a conflict that arises. So you can give get pull hyphen hyphen rebase and origin master. So this is the conflict, that is, if you are trying to see, this is like pulling is not possible because you have unmerged files there because of unresolved conflict. First you have to resolve the conflict, then only you will be able to see merging should takes place. Why? Because I am pulling a file. See here also, go here, what it will show here is that modified second time. Then you are trying to pull a file. If you are trying to push the same file, then that also being merged, maybe a merge conflict there. So first what it will do is, what it is asking you to do is, so for merging, so this might be the thing there, get merge tool, right? So local remote modified file to start merge resolution tool, hit return, fine, to start the merge resolution tool. So there's a tool to start with, okay, that we just call it as a merge resolution tool. So we'll just see what exactly happens here. So this is a file normal merge conflict for sample.txt. Fine. So see, it is showing that previously there was hello G, then there was hello, and then there is hello hi that you have inserted. If you go on inserting, if you go on changing and pushing and pulling the files from the to the same repository, if you go back and push the file to the same repository or pull the same file by adding the contents, then pull and push, then this merge conflict occurs. So which one you want to keep, which file you want to keep. So in that case, what I can tell is, this is the first one, second one, and this is the third one. So there are three types: accept the present one or previous one or the other one without any changes. The present one, let it be. So header will be pointing to the recent one, whatever you have given. Fine. So what we will do is, so now what I can do, what you can do here is sample.dx. So which one you want to have? So that is what it is showing here. So this is the one. So which one you want to have, or which one you have to delete, or which one do you want to continue? So these things will be shown here. So what you can do here is that, so it is pointing to the recent file, right? So you can keep this as it is, and you can just insert that. Okay, right, enter. If you want to enter, okay, if you want to replace, you can just replace it by coming or by clicking the set symbol. Okay, and if you want to replace, you can replace, or if you want to keep all the things, you can just keep all the things. Fine. So that is how you will be able to do it. So then you can just exit from here. So fine. So if you want to retain this, the exit command took there itself, right? So this is how the merge conflict occurs, and whichever you want to retain, you can just go back and you can just retain that. Not at all an issue.